Oh, are the workshops for freely available indicators only? Yes, they are. Correct. Let's see. No. So Zach's asking if we can use a free trial paid indicator. No, not at all. And the reason for that is because remember these Bloodhound files, are made available to everybody. And so in order to open up the Bloodhound template, you'll have to have that paid for indicator installed on your system. So that just puts, a big monkey wrench in the works. If I started using paid for indicators in this workshop, it would just make it really that much more difficult for people to open up these Bloodhound, template files. So, so only, and I put in air quotes freely available because technically that's not true. Let me kind of take you through a little rundown here. Let's see here. Yeah, so just to kind of illustrate, right? So again, on the training workshops page here, right? If you open up the Bloodhound workshop recordings, right, you'll see all of the recordings include a Bloodhound template, right? Seems kind of obvious and necessary. So, we just want to make sure that, it's as easy as possible for people to open up these Bloodhound templates when custom indicators are being used. And what's a custom indicator? Well, any indicator that's not included with NinjaTrader is a custom indicator, right? So if it doesn't come with NinjaTrader, then it's considered a custom indicator. So only freely available ones are allowed. And what is considered free are there's two things considered free. Let's see here. Where is it? There we go. Okay. So if you are a Futuresio member, indicators from Futuresio are considered free. Of course, technically, they're not free because Futuresio charges a one-time membership fee. So since it's only a one-time membership fee, we do consider indicators from Futuresio, as free since it's just a one-time fee. Let's see, NinjaTrader, they have a user app share. These are truly 100% free. So NinjaTrader does not charge a membership fee or anything to download indicators off of here. So any indicator that comes from the NinjaTrader app share page is considered free. And also LizardTrader, they have what's called a free section. And again, in air quotes, it's free. So LizardTrader charges a one-time membership fee, just like Futuresio does, right? So any indicator from LizardTrader that's included with their free indicator section is allowed in these workshops. Since again, this is just a one-time membership fee, and then you can download all the free indicators, within that section there. Yeah. So if we go to the NinjaTrader 8 area, yeah, you'll see that they have a lot of indicators here that are free. So, there's a lot there. Yeah, surprisingly, their premium indicators, which are you have to pay for on an individual basis, their premium indicators only make up like 5% of all their indicators. The other 95% are actually included in their free section. So, also something else to note, a lot of LizardTrader indicators are available on Futuresio. So, where is it? There we go. Yeah, so if you do have a paid Futuresio membership, you might want to check on Futuresio to see if that LizardTrader indicators is available on here, before you have to go and purchase a membership with LizardTrader. So, however, I'd say that their membership fee is well worth it, considering all the indicators that you get. So, and then thirdly, let's see if I can find an example. Yeah. So basically, any other NinjaTrader ecosystem vendor. So that's a mouthful, isn't it? All right, let's see if I can find Ninja's ecosystem. There we go. All right, so let me back up here. Right, so on NinjaTrader's ecosystem page here, right, there's a free section there. And so, a lot of vendors do offer a couple of free indicators that you can download, like the TC trending TSF indicator. I remember this one from NinjaTrader 7 or maybe even NinjaTrader 6.5. Let's see. Let's go there. So as long as the indicator can be freely downloaded from some other vendor's website, those are allowed as well. Let's see. So here's a download for NinjaTrader 8. And there we go. So that would be, I guess, the third source of what's considered free indicators is from any other vendor's website, that allows you to download for free. So, all right. So one thing to note is, please do not email indicators into us. So we never download indicator attachments just for virus security reasons. We never install or even download attached indicators that are emailed in. So, right. So if you do want to use, or I should say, if you are using an indicator from another vendor, please just provide us a link to the page. So really what you should email us is, the page link. You can email that into us, and that way we'll go to the vendor ourselves and download the indicator from their website directly. And I would recommend the same thing. I would recommend that you really don't install indicators that are emailed to you unless you absolutely trust the person who emailed that indicator to you. So, it's very easy to inject a virus into a NinjaTrader indicator. So, just to keep your computer system safe, you should be very cautious about installing NinjaTrader indicators from an unknown source. So, all right. So that was Zachary's question about using free indicators.